Put the meat in boiling water. I learned this trick at a 5-star steakhouse. In a large saucepan filled with hot water, start by adding 4 garlic cloves. Then add 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary and 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. Now, add a beef steak weighing approximately 400 grams and let it cook for 1 minute. After this time has passed, remove it from the pan. Dry it well with paper towel and transfer it to a large oven-proof dish. Repeat this process with another steak and set aside. Once you've done that, cut a medium onion. Cut it in half, into strips and into cubes. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Also, cut 2 ripe tomatoes. Cut them in half, into strips and into cubes. Now, in a medium bowl, add the onion cubes, 3 crushed garlic cloves, the tomato cubes. Season with 3 teaspoons of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chimichurri, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and mix everything very well until incorporated. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type that recipe, and download it. Once you've done that, add this mixture to the baking dish with the meat. Mix until incorporated. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Cover with plastic wrap. Take to the fridge and let it marinate for 1 hour. After this time has passed, place the meat on a sheet of baking paper along with some aluminum foil just like this. Add 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Wrap it just like I'm doing here and repeat this process with the other steak. After doing this, transfer to a baking tray. Take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 40 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.